What's up, you awesome geeks? I'm Brian, this is the Smuggler's Room, and today myself and all the members of the Smugglers Guild over on Patreon were in the mood for a crate challenge. And what better way to build a crate than to utilize something you already have? For me, that's my Festool T55 track saw, specifically the sustainer it comes in. Now, this track saw may be one of the most coveted pieces of shop equipment for many woodworkers that love Festool products. It makes breaking down large sheet goods a breeze while giving you great accuracy. The only downfall is the cost of this video will set you back enough credits you could buy a brand new speeder. While this is an amazing saw to be sure, the sustainer, or the box it comes in, just doesn't match the aesthetic around here, so we need to change that. So, if you're a Festool purist, you may want to avert your eyes or avoid this altogether, because we're about to Star Wars this shit out of this box. Let's do that.
Feeling lucky. Beautiful. Boom. Oh, that was a piece of cake. As far as the internals, we're not going to change anything about that. The saw is in place, the instructions. The nice thing is I can remove these instructions up here because I'm going to have to bolt in the label up above, but we'll get to that. Now, in the spirit of being lazy about cleaning the shop, I also don't want to have to go anywhere to get paint. So I'm kind of thinking that I'm just going to make do with whatever I have. Got this kind of satin ivory. That's not horrible. Got anything down here? Orange, maybe? Whew. This is a tough one.
This episode is sponsored by Xtool, and we're featuring their Xtool P2 55-watt laser. We've been beyond thrilled with the laser, and that's why we're using it and showing it to you in today's episode. The Xtool P2 is a versatile and user-friendly machine, primarily featuring a dual HD camera consisting of a 180-degree panoramic camera and close-range camera. These cameras offer the capability to see clearly to engrave precisely. This is a unique feature compared to other lasers. The self-contained cooling system, easy-to-use software, compatibility with Lightburn, as well as the speed and power of the machine has made the P2 our go-to laser in the shop. We've included links in the description below so you can learn more about the Xtool P2. As with any sponsor we showcase on the channel, you can be sure that we've used the product and found value in it to share with you. Thank you, Xtool, for sponsoring this video. And before the final reveal, we'd like to share with you all the projects done by our amazing Smugglers Guild members on Patreon. Thank each and every one of you for joining the challenge.
We will start with a plain box assembled in 2 halves, and we will add detail. The circles will be added, a little weathering, and the box will be ready. It will then be ready to be deployed. We will conceal another intelligence gathering droid inside it. Excellent!
If there was ever a reason to start this channel, it's because of the community that's grown up around it. We are so pumped of all the makers that spent time and effort building their crates and sharing it with all of you. We hope all of you enjoyed all of their projects, and we hope all of you that made projects enjoyed the process of making them. We love each and every one of them. Thank you very much for being a part of the community. And as for us, here's a look at our final crate, and we'll see you the next time we build something out of nothing.